Hello YouTube, and what we have here is a Bentley Continental GT by Mini GT in 1:64 scale. This is a TSM model. We'll open it up and tear it down piece by piece later on. And here we go. Here's the model, finished in sequin blue. I don't know how to pronounce it, but it is a fantastic model. Excellent details all around. It rolls really well, as typical of Mini GTs. For the price, it's hard to beat, but let's take a closer look. Circular headlights, larger on the inside and smaller on the outside. It's a common design of the Continental. Large front grille with a cross pattern finish in silver. Bentley logo on the middle of the hood. Clear tinted windows. You can see the rather dark interior. More on that later on. Now let's move on to the side. It has prototypical wheels with rubber tires. Finish in two-tone black and silver paint. Side mirrors are on a rubbery material, so it is less delicate than most models. Underneath is a metal base. It is finished on black satin, which is nice to the touch. 2 screws. Let's open it up later. I like the design of the wheels. Moving on to the back. Inserted lens for the taillights. Great amount of details in there with the Bentley license plate. It has this oval dual split exhaust. Very large, very visible. I like the overall silhouette with a fastback look. Silver accents down below on the rocker panels. That's a nice touch, giving it a premium look. This is indeed a luxury GT car. Onto the teardown, separating the body from the base. Let's check it out. What's interesting in here? It seems like it's very simple. There's the 2 axles connecting each tire. Very simple. Now let's move on to the interior, which I always love to see. It has a good amount of details inside. It's a 2+2 configuration. Great amount of details, especially the side bolsters of the seats. And there's some pattern going on in there. Very nice. I love the design. Steering wheel is well placed, nothing jerky going on. But don't expect some leather padded or stitches because this is a mini scale model. All of the materials are plastic. And last but not least, the metal body. Let's flip it around. There's a number 641101D. That's probably the casting number. The windows are one piece. Much else to see here. Overall, an excellent replica by Mini GT. It's not my favorite, but a solid piece nonetheless. Happy to add this on my collection. And there you have it, the complete teardown of the Bentley Continental GT by Mini GT. Comment down below on what you think. Leave a like. If you want to see more of this as I'm trying to put it back all together, please do subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Whoops. Damn it, it was easy when I first thought of this, but now it's quite a challenge.